हेलो एवरीवन, आप लोगों ने रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि एक डेमो क्लास देने के लिए, सो आई वाज थिंकिंग टू गिव यू अ डेमो क्लास ऑन इकोनॉमिक्स। ठीक है, तो मैं देर नहीं करता हूँ, एक टॉपिक स्टार्ट करता हूँ। ठीक है, द टॉपिक इज टुडे वी विल रीड ऑन मनी एंड बैंकिंग। ठीक है, मनी एंड बैंकिंग। सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज मनी एंड बैंकिंग। इस जो पढ़ेंगे, इसमें जो पढ़ेंगे हम यहाँ पे व्हाट इज नॉमिनल इंटरेस्ट रेट, nominal interest rate, then what is real interest rate, right? And then what is Fisher equation। ठीक है, हम ये तीनों टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे। तो फर्स्ट वन वी विल लर्न अबाउट व्हाट इज नॉमिनल इंटरेस्ट रेट, then we will learn about what is the real interest rate, and then in the third we will learn that how this Fisher equation is says what is the relationship between nominal and real interest rate। ठीक है, आज हम ये तीनों जो कॉन्सेप्ट है पढ़ेंगे। देखिए, जब हम नॉमिनल इंटरेस्ट की बात करते हैं, ठीक है, जब हम नॉमिनल इंटरेस्ट की बात करते हैं, नॉमिनल इंटरेस्ट जो होता है वो होता है द रियल इंटरेस्ट रेट दैट हैज बीन प्रोवाइडेड ओके बाय द बैंक्स और एनी लेंडिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन। Okay, like for example, if you go to the State Bank of India, then you could find that there is a interest rate they offer. Like if you save in their bank for 1 year, then you will get around 6% interest rate. If you save for let's say 2 years, then you will get interest rate of around suppose 6.5%. And more the tenure, I mean the more the duration, then you will get the higher interest rate. So that is known as nominal interest rate. ठीक है, so it is very clear that is nominal interest rate. Real interest rate, that I'll say that real interest rate, how much actually you are able to purchase today and purchase tomorrow. Okay, that is the real interest rate. Okay, ये सबसे अच्छा होगा। Now if I can explain it in the blackboard. Okay, suppose today, okay, today, and this is 1 year later. Okay, 1 year later. See, today suppose you have 100 rupees. Okay, suppose today you have 100 rupees. Okay, and your bank is saying that they will provide you 10% interest rate. So tomorrow how much money you will have? You will have 110 rupees. Are you getting? Today you have rupees 100. If you are giving 10% interest rate, tomorrow you will have this rupees 110. So this is the nominal interest rate. ठीक? But suppose today using this 100 rupees, I was able to buy. Okay, I was able to buy. Okay, 5 kg of potato. ठीक है, using this 100 rupees I was able to buy 5 kg of potato. ठीक है, but what happened? So what happened actually? What happened actually? The inflation during this period was 20%. Okay, inflation was during this period was 20%. Then what will happen? Now to purchase same 5 kg of potato, now how much rupees you need? You need 120 rupees. Okay, you are able to buy this 5 kg of potato at rupees 100. But tomorrow, if the inflation is 20%, you will buy the same 5 kg of potato at rupees 120. That means, but you have to see here that, but your money has grown to only 110, but your value of your this 5 kg of potato has grown to 120. Now, if I ask you the same question, using this 110 rupees, can you buy 5 kg of potato? Then you will say no, I will buy only less than that, right? Less than that. That means, although the nominal interest rate is 10% here, but actually you are not able to buy this amount of quantity. Just you are able to buy very less. So, but that means your real interest rate, that means for waiting 1 year, is not positive. It is negative. Okay, it is negative. So this is known as your real interest rate. Although your nominal interest rate is 10%, but actually the real interest rate is negative because you are not able to buy the same amount of 5 kg which rupees 110. Okay, so now I will put it in a very formal way. Okay, I will put it in very formal. Today, suppose you have amount of money M, and if your interest rate is I, tomorrow, 1 year later, you will get this much. If today the price is P and inflation is pi, then tomorrow you will get, tomorrow the price will be 1 plus pi, that is your inflation. Are you getting? Today, with the same amount of money, okay, so you are able to buy how much? M by P. Tomorrow how much you will be able to buy? That will be M by P, okay, into 1 plus I divided by 1 plus pi. Okay, so this is what we call as purchasing power. What we call it as purchasing power. Okay, now your purchasing power was M by P, because with the amount of M divided by price, the amount of goods or services that you will be able to consume. But what happened? Tomorrow, this is the additional thing that you are getting, right? How much extra you can purchase. So that we call as the real interest rate. Real interest rate. Okay? Right? What I had said in the earlier example, this was 10% and this was 20%. Are you able with them? Since this was 10%, this was 20%, this was less than 1. That way you are having. So this is what, like if I say this is my purchasing power, then this will be my purchasing power, and I call this 1 plus real interest rate. This is your real interest rate. Are you getting? This is your real interest. This is my purchasing power. Then this additional term that I call as real interest rate. So what I derived from, that means from these two, I can say my real interest rate is nothing but 1 plus nominal interest rate divided by 1 plus inflation. Okay, 1 plus real interest rate is equal to 1 plus that is nominal interest rate divided 1 plus pi, that is the inflation. Because this is a real extra amount, the real purchasing power that I am getting by just from this nominal interest rate and the inflation. Now this is the equation. This is very important. Okay, this is the equation that is very important. Okay, now if I rewrite it, okay, now if I rewrite it, that means I will get that 1 plus I is equal to 1 plus R into 1 plus pi. Okay, this is known as Fisher equation of interest rate. Okay, this is known as Fisher's equation of interest rate. Then you must be saying, sir, we have read it earlier that it is like I plus equal to R plus pi. Now I will derive it. Okay? But this is the main original equation. Okay, always remember that this is the main original equation of Fisher's equation. What they have done actually? So let me about this. Now what we do? Now if you see this, it is 1 plus I here equal to 1 plus R plus pi plus R into pi. Okay? Okay. So that is 1 plus I equal to 1 plus R plus pi plus this. Now 1 removed. Okay. What do you have now? I equal to R plus pi plus R into pi. Okay. In say R into pi. So since R is the interest rate, that is 6%, 7% or 10%, and pi is also an inflation which is very, very less. So whenever they multiply it approximately, you have to see that it approximately goes to 0. So therefore we write nominal interest rate is nominal interest rate is not equal, actually it is okay, approximately equal to R plus pi. This is the equation we refer very in our research, that nominal interest rate is equal to real interest rate plus inflation. So this is also another version of Fisher equation which is close to this because of this approximation. Okay, so this is your relationship between nominal interest rate, real interest rate, and pi. This is inflation. Now as an example, if in a country nominal interest rate is suppose 7% and inflation is 5%, what will be the real interest rate? Real interest rate is, this is 7%, this is 5%. So 7% minus 5%, that is equal to 2%. Okay. So this is the way. Okay. So nominal interest rate what you observe in your bank account, real interest rate which you derive, and pi is the rate of change in which your overall price increases, or we call it as inflation. So this was my derivation of Fisher's equation from nominal interest rate, okay, and the inflation. Thank you so much for doing this demo video. Okay. हाँ, ज़रूर मत भूलिएगा कि आप जब इंटरव्यू से मतलब आपकी जो टीचिंग जो है आप देने के बाद आप अपने जो ब्लैक बोर्ड है और हाँ ये भी है, ठीक है, सब कुछ को अच्छे से मिटा के आइएगा, ठीक है. दैट गिव्स अ गुड इंप्रेशन बिफोर द इंटरव्यू और द इंडिविजुअल हु आर एक्चुअली अटेंडिंग योर डेमो क्लासेस, ठीक है. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियो एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू यू ऑल पीपल, because you all have encouraged me and you all always have motivated me to go for demo. So I prepared this small blackboard and this is a Sunday, so I got some time and I did it, and I'm promising that whenever I will get some time with my hectic schedule of my office, then I will always try to upload certain videos that you may like, okay, and you all are my family members and hope we will continue in future. Okay. So धन्यवाद, thank you, all the best, okay, good night.